The problem is we haven't set up an SSL certificate yet. So let's do that next. In Cloudways, navigate to SSL certificate. We'll get a Let's Encrypt certificate. Enter your email address. Then enter your root domain name. Click Install Certificate. This will take a few moments to process. Then you'll get a confirmation pop-up saying the SSL certificate was installed. Now, if you go up to the top where it says WordPress and click the arrow inside the box to visit your site, you should be routed to your live WordPress site, and you should see the correct new custom domain displayed. If you still don't have access to your website at your custom domain, just be patient. DNS updates can take a while to propagate, in some cases up to 48 hours, though it's usually much quicker. You can check out the status of your domain propagation at whatsmydns.net. I've left a link to this in the description below. If your custom domain still isn't working after 48 hours, I recommend checking out the Cloudways help documentation. Again, I've left a link to the relevant documentation in the description below.